Hey, this is Tom again with Kizen Enterprise. Now I'm showing you a new method for cutting crown. That is, the gauges are on the fence. They're not on the table. And the advantages to that is I just have this set up for cutting the 5 1/4 crown. Now I want to cut a couple windowsills, and I can bring in windowsill material and lay it flat. And there's no crown stops or gauges in the way to cut. So I don't have to take off my crown setup. Or let's say I want to cut, this is a 5 1/2 inch piece of base. I want to come in, pins are in the way now. And I just need to move the pin out of the way. And I'm ready to cut a base on the back fence. And I can go back to my crown setup I had earlier. I'm ready again. So there's no takedown setup for your crown gauges. Thank you for watching.